Hello guys, welcome po ulit sa aking channel na Learn Math. Okay, so we have here a proportion word problem. Okay, so you can pause this video guys para matry nyo ring isolve itong problem na to. Okay, let's go. So Kaden can read 4 books in 5 hours. Assuming all the books are the same length, how many hours would it take him to read 40 books? A. 40 hours, B. 32 hours, C. 50 hours, or D. 20 hours. Okay? To solve this problem guys is kailangan mo nating alamin yung mga given and kung ano yung hinahanap natin dito guys. Okay? So, sabi dito, Kaden can read 4 books in 5 hours. Okay? 4 books. Sabi dito is 4 books in 5 hours. Okay? So, kanya daw magbasa ng 4 books sa loob ng 5 hours. So, ang tinatanong dito is how many hours would it take him to read 40 books? So, assuming daw na lahat ng books ay pare-parehas yung size niya or yung length niya. Okay? Is equal to, kung papansin dito guys, kung ano yung unit ng nasa taas, ganoon din dapat yung unit na nang dito. Okay? So, ito ay books lang din. Ay dito ay hours. Okay? Since ang hinahanap ay how many hours would it take him to read 40 books. Okay? Since 40 books ang hinahanap natin and X hours. Okay? Yun yung hinahanap natin. Okay? Then solve for X. Again, cross multiplication. 5 times 40 is equal to X times 4. Okay? Then solve for X. 5 times 40 is 200. Is equal to X times 4 is 4x. Okay? So, divide by sides by 4. So, cancel out 4. So, x is equal to, so 200 divided by 4 is 50. Okay? So, ang sagot natin dito ay 50 hours. Okay? So, our answer is letter C. Okay? Thank you guys and enjoy!